Hi, today I'm for the VIVO V21e and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So let's first launch Settings application and then scroll down to the Shortcuts and Accessibility. Tap to Ask Capture section and scroll down. Here you'll see Screen Recorder section. Tap to Record Sound section. Here we could change the sound settings from System Audio and Microphone Sound only to use the microphone or only the System Audio or just to none, so just to record the mood videos. And also we get one more way how we could launch the screen recorder settings. To do that, we should first launch the control panel and find record screen option, hold it for a while, and after that we could switch here the sound settings. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.